Good afternoon, all. In this lecture, we will discuss classification of products. In the last lecture, I had discussed the diagram of classification of product according to durability, tangibility, according to consumer goods, according to market. Here, first classification is given, classification on the basis of durability and tangibility. So, products can be classified on the basis of durability and tangibility. They can be classified in terms of durability as first non-durable goods, second durable goods. So, here is the description. Non-durable goods, as its name says, non-durable means the goods which we can't store for longer time. Means they are perishable goods. We cannot store them for longer. So the definition of non-durable goods is non-durable goods are tangible goods normally consumed at either one or a couple of uses. These are purchased regularly and also consumed frequently. Means we used to regularly purchase them and we use frequently. Examples are food items. For example, in food items we can have fruits, vegetables, milk, bread, biscuits. Means the things which we use to purchase daily or regularly, means within 1 or 2 days we used to purchase. For example, food items, milk, butter, vegetable, fruits, milk, butter, vegetable, fruits, etc. Similarly, there is the next classification, durable. Durable, as its name says, the goods which are tangible and they are used for many years, we can store them. These products need more personal selling, after sale service and guarantee and warranty programs. Yes, these goods include guarantee and warranty programs also. Examples are TV, mobile phone, washing machines, microwaves, etc. Next is, on the basis of tangibility, goods can be classified as physical products and services. First is physical products, second is services. Physical product means the products which are tangible. They can be durable or non-durable goods. Examples can be AC, chair, fan. Here is the spelling of bed is wrong. It should be BED, bed. Fan, table, chair, AC, cooler. Any example which we see near us, that is physical product. It can be tangible. It is tangible. It can be durable or non-durable. Next is services. Services are opposite of physical products. Services are intangible, inseparable and inconsistent products. Means we cannot touch, we cannot feel the service, we can only see. Services include quality, credibility means trustworthiness, adaptability according to changing consumption behavior. Examples are hospitality service, airline service, insurance means LIC, banking service, hotel service, teaching service, and other many examples also. So in this lecture we have covered first classification of products according to durability and tangibility. So here is the detailed classification of goods. In next class we will do classification of products according to other bases. So that's all for today. Thank you.